The perfect display size for you might be small or big. I will help you that what display size is best for you. First, if you like small phones, then best display size for you is up to 5.2 inches, but there are limited phones at this screen size. Second, if you like medium and compact sized phone, then you should go for display sizes anywhere between 5.5 inches to 5.9 inches. Third, if you like big phones, then you should go for display sizes from 6 inches to 6.7 inches. And there are many phones available at this segment. Hope that helped you. Like, share and subscribe.